We'll guide you through how to install Facebook on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having Facebook on your iPhone is really convenient, as then you can easily go and check your feed and start posting from it. So to go and get started, you need to go and find the App Store. By default, that's going to be on the first page. If you struggle to find it, you can drag down and search for App Store. Go and open it up like so. Now, what you need to do is head to the bottom right and press search. When you do that, you're brought to this page here. Press the search bar at the top and you can go and type in Facebook like so. Then what you need to do is go and find the option for Facebook and press the download button. Yours will probably go and say get. I've got the cloud that I've downloaded it before. If it says get, go and tap there. You may need to enter in your Apple ID password. When it's finished, it will go and say open. You've now downloaded it and installed it. You can enter in your information here and press login, or go to the bottom and press create new account and follow through with the steps. I already have an account, so I'm going to go and sign in. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.